In today's video, we will install the Active Directory on Windows Server 2025 step by step, and then we will promote the server to the domain controller. Have you ever wondered how an IT administrator manages a thousand of employees centrally, how employee can log in to any office computer, and how their password can be reset with just one click, and how a single server control access for the entire company? This is all made possible through the Active Directory, also known as Active Directory Domain Services. Watch this video till end, because if you missed any important step, so this may face the DNS or a login issue later. By the end of this video, you will understand the concept of Active Directory domain services, create your own domain, and have a fully working domain controller ready. Before moving to the practical part, let's first understand in a simple word what is Active Directory. Imagine a company with 1,000 employees. If the IT team had to manually manage each user password, handles every computer separately, assign permission individually, and remove access manually, when an employee leaves, it would be hectic and inefficient. Active Directory solves this problem. In a simple term, Active Directory is the company's central database. It stores users, computers, password groups, and permissions. All of this is controlled by a server called the domain controller. That's why Active Directory is often called the backbone of enterprise IT. Active Directory is the Windows Server role. When we install Active Directory, our server become a domain controller that manage the entire network centrally. Now let's move towards the lab. This is the fresh Windows Server 2025 which we have installed in our previous video. Let's start. After starting the server, by default server manager has been opened. Before installing the Active Directory role, you must take care of the three things. There should be a meaningful server name, the accurate time zone, and at last static IP for server. So click the local server. From here you can change the server name, as I have given it DC01. If you click it, you can change it from there. So as I have already changed, I didn't need it. And from here you should change the time zone, as I have already selected the Islamabad Karachi. You can select your time zone from here with your region. And for a static IP, just open the network adapter by right clicking the start button and type ncpa.cpl, that is shortcut for network adapter. Select properties. I have unselected the IPv6 and double click the IPv4. Here I have given the IP address 192.168.10.100. 255.255.255.0 is default gateway subnet mask. Default gateway is 192.168.10.1. And preferred DNS, you can also enter the DCIP, or you can enter the loopback address. And in the alternate I will type the Google address. After making these changes, you must restart the server. The server has been successfully restarted. Now open the server manager to install the Active Directory role. Server manager has been opened. Select add roles and feature. Click next. Select role based or feature based installation. Select DC01. Click next. Here, select Active Directory Domain Services, add all features, click Next. Here, make sure that the group policy management has been selected because it is a part of Active Directory. Click Next and select Restart the destination server if required and select Install. After the installation, we will promote this server to the domain controller. Installation of ADDS has been successfully completed, and now we will promote this server to the domain controller. A new wizard has been opened. We have three options: add a domain controller to an existing domain, add a new domain to an existing forest, add a new forest. But as we are creating a new environment, so we need to go with add a new forest. In the root domain name, type your domain name. My domain is itchampions.com. Click next. Forest functional level tell us which Windows feature will be applied within our whole network. If you have a Windows Server 2016 in your environment, then you can select it. As this is our test environment, we will select Windows Server 2025. Domain functional level will never be lower than Forest functional level. Next thing that is DNS will be also installed, and the global catalog that stores the naming convention, it is also selected. And this part is very important. Type the directory services restore more password. If your Active Directory is corrupted, you need to recover it from the backup. So at that time, you need that this password. So store this password and keep it at a safe place. I will type the password and click next. A delegation for the DNS server cannot be created because the alternate parent zone cannot be found. It's okay. It's our first DNS server. It does not need the DNS delegation. Click next. NetBIOS name has been selected automatically. Click next. Here specify the path for Active Directory, database, log and sysvol folder. Database folder will be stored at C Windows NTDS. Log file will be stored at C Windows NTDS. And the sysvol that stores the group policies and security policies, and that will be stored in C Windows and sysvol. Click next. We will leave the default option. Click next. It's checking prerequisites. All the prerequisites has been successfully checked, and now we will install. After restarting the server, as you can see that the domain names comes before the administrator account. So we will log in. As you can see that the Active Directory and the DNS role has been successfully installed, as well as we will verify it from the local server. It has been changed from work group to the domain, and the domain is itchampions.com. You can see the different options of Active Directory, users and computers, group policy management, DNS. We have successfully installed the Active Directory role, and we have promoted this role to the domain controller. Also, we have installed the DNS. So that's it for today.